And welcome back to another new video. Today we are playing RG Train Tech Demo. I did a prank on you. We are actually playing Indian Train Crossing 3D. Oh, WAP 4. Hello there, Ra. एक गाड़ी को फंसेंगे. We're gonna trap one car. Oh my god, and it's not my car. Okay, let's keep Bob out from the road crossing so he doesn't get, that's. We're gonna trap one car with the other, I guess. We're gonna, it's Bob's twin. What? Go up. Now we're, both of the same cars, and oh no. Hopefully it's not a fast train that's gonna hit it. Hopefully it's just a slow train. Or else that might just go to insane stuff. I want like the small cars. Like that. Okay, hopefully they're going. It's going. I think it's right there. And we're not gonna actually do that. We're actually just gonna hit the car. We're actually hitting the car. Hold up a second, and hold up a second. I'll prank you in a minute. I'll hit you so the other train doesn't get pranked. Okay, good. Van's right over there. Okay, Bob, you just saved the person of the day. I like to go for sprees. You could have sprees. Alright, 3, 2, don't like this camera angle. 3, 2, 1, go, and I am going to hunt you down. Going at the very back over here, hitting this car, and boom. Okay, this is funny prank. Just a funny prank. Too much. Three, 2, 1, and you are getting hit in 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my god. Okay. That's just funny prank. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm fine. What is going on? Okay. What? Okay. I'm just gonna do a funny prank with him. And I think he's gonna leave him now. Leave him. No. Quickly go away. Hopefully. But now we're gonna do a prank on him because he is like a router system. I don't know. That was the first thing that came up to mind. I'm gonna go straight to the VAP 4. I'll just set it at like 60 miles or 60 kilometers. I just realized it's the same train as this train. Alright, someone's gonna die. Say goodbye. Yeah, 70 is nice. 70. Boom. Funny prank. Now let me out. Okay, Vampire, say goodbye. Because I'm gonna do a prank on you. It's not a good one. 3, 2, 1, get pranked. Boom. Okay. Okay, this made him stop the entire train. Make him go. Alright, thanks. Funny. April Fool's Day is coming up, so I'm doing this video. Oh, boom. Okay, why am I going backwards? Enter. कहाँ जानी है? Where are you going? My God. What are you doing? Okay, quickly get over here. Squeeze through. Okay, good run for. Okay, nice. Oh. I don't think this is like. Okay. What was that? Okay. Look, there's this green thing over here. I don't think you can see it. Okay, prank to this truck. Okay, we're gonna slow down to get 100 over here. Boom! Oh, I'm gonna do a prank of it here. 3, 2, 1, 4. Say goodbye. Why is there a red signal? I have no idea. Boom. Why did it just make that sound? Oh, it's finally going. Oh, never mind, it's not gonna go. Oh, Mahamna Express. I've been waiting for you today. Say goodbye. Boom! Okay, not a funny prank. This is not a funny prank, but this is just chaotic. What is this? Ah! I fell. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh my goodness. Okay, there are multiple pieces of damage. It crashed into the train, man. Crashed into that train. I think there's another train coming. There's another train coming, and then I think it's gonna hit that. But my car did crash, and also the train did, so I'll end the video here. If you like this video and like April Fools, make sure to comment down below, and if you want to prank someone, just comment down below and I'll give you like an idea to prank someone. So goodbye, y'all.